How to change privacy and safety settings on Twitter. First, open the X application. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on this option Settings and Support. Tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Now you can access the settings over here. At fourth, you can see the option for privacy and safety. Tap on it. Now you can access your activity settings over here. From here, you'll be able to manage the privacy and safety settings. For example, if you want to change the settings regarding the audience and tagging, tap on this option Audience and Tagging. Now after that, you'll be able to find various options over here. For example, if these options are toggled off, you can simply tap on it in order to toggle it on. Like this, your audience and tagging settings has been changed. Likewise, you can also change other settings. For example, you can tap on the option Chats. You can manage the chat settings over here. You can change the privacy and safety settings of who can send you the message requests. You can tap on the option of your choice. Likewise, you can change other settings as well. You can simply change the settings according to your choice. Now after you're satisfied with the changes, you can go back. You can follow the same processes for other options as well. Like this, you'll be able to change privacy and safety settings in Twitter. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.